World Egg Day 2023, 6 protein-rich egg dishes to start your day with a good source of protein and heart-healthy fats. Eggs can be turned into a variety of delicious breakfast options. Here are easy and quick recipes. Is celebrated every year. On October 13th to raise awareness around eggs, an affordable food and a source of high-quality protein and other essential nutrients. Eggs are versatile much like potato and penne, and can be turned into a variety of sweet and savory dishes. Being a storehouse of high-quality proteins and amino acids, essential vitamins B12, B6, and folate, as well as minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium, eggs can provide the right nutritionist boost in the morning. Choline found in eggs is crucial for brain health and development. It plays a role in neurotransmitter function and can contribute to cognitive function. They are easy to digest, and being high in protein and healthy fats can help one feel fuller and provide energy throughout the day. Eggs are easy to digest, making them a convenient and nutritious option for breakfast. Easy and delicious egg dishes that can be easily made in morning. 1. Classic scrambled eggs with spinach. Whisk together eggs and cook in a skillet with fresh spinach. Add salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor and protein. 2. Egg and vegetable breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with diced bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. Wrap the mixture in a whole grain tortilla, adding black beans and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein boost. 3. Smoked salmon and avocado toast with poached egg. Top whole grain toast with mashed avocado, smoked salmon, and a perfectly poached egg. This dish provides a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. 4. Mushroom and spinach omelette. Create a savory omelette by combining eggs with sautéed mushrooms, spinach, and a touch of Swiss cheese. Fold it over for a delicious and protein-packed breakfast. Here are some other egg recipes that you may like to have in breakfast. 5. Protein-packed omelette. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped spinach, 1/4 cup diced lean ham or turkey, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup shredded cheese optional. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk eggs and season with salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and coat with cooking spray. Pour the whisked eggs into the skillet. Add bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach, and diced meat on one half of the eggs. Once the edges start to set, carefully fold the other half over the filling. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top if desired. Cook until eggs are fully set and cheese is melted. Serve hot. 6. A classic French egg dish is quiche Lorraine. It's a savory pie filled with a mixture of eggs, cream, and bacon or lardons, all baked in a pastry crust. It's a delightful and popular choice in French cuisine. Join our community of health-conscious food lovers, subscribe for delicious and nutritious recipes, or don't miss out on a world of tasty, guilt-free meals. Hit that subscribe button now.